Daniel Walker here. I'm going to show you how to take this holder off of a pencil and put it back together. First, pull this back off. First, pull the holder. Then you'll see something inside. Push it through. And then there you got it. See the small part? Put it right in the back. The small part, just stick it right in there. Oh, I lost them. It's beyond the iPod. Even though my Christmas present, my iPod, I'm on my iPod, and this is how to put it back together. Next, pull this back up, take it apart again, like I showed you. Spin this. Just spin this thing all around, and then it'll pop off. And then stick it right in here, like this. The top part, stick it right in where the line is. Put the big part right in here. And then put it right back in. And then put the back on. Well, there you got it. How to put a pencil together and take it apart. How to take the holder off. How to put the holder back on. Bye.